All right, what is going on, guys? It is early in the morning. We are here, Idaho, trying to catch some fish, specifically the native Snake River fine spotted cutthroat. They're beautiful. I've caught a bunch already, and it's gonna be an awesome day. Probably just gonna fish here for a couple hours, go back, let it chill, maybe switch spots, go upriver or downriver. But we're gonna have a good day, so stick with it. And I know we're catching fish, so stay tuned. First fish of the day. That was perfect. Crazy. It was like fly hit the water, you'd see them come up, chase it. I would get a crappy mend, and they wouldn't care. They'd just kind of keep chasing that fly. That was really fun. Didn't catch one though because I'm an idiot. I might just stick with strictly a cicada for this next spot, but I don't really know. I'm gonna cross here quick, fish this rock, looks divine, and then go on from there. Okay guys, I think there's a fish right on that rock there. I'm gonna see if I can't get, I'm gonna pop my GoPro off and see if I can't get like a really cool shot with the GoPro here. I fished this hole. I mean, look how beautiful that is. That looks like fish should be there always. And I didn't get anything. I broke off a fly on top, and you can kind of even put your fly underneath that rock and it doesn't really get taken. It doesn't get hooked up on anything, which is dope. But I'm gonna see if I can't get a good GoPro shot of this fish. Maybe I'll catch him. I don't know. Upon further review, it's a stick. guys went up just a little bit. Put the camera in a little different spot, maybe even up in front of me, maybe not. This whole seam, there's a whole nother seam on the other side of the one I was fishing. So there's no reason there shouldn't be fish stacked up there. I've just been getting bites like crazy right there. Just caught 2 right off of it. We're gonna try to get a couple more off of there. I don't even know how many fish I'm at yet, or so far today. But it's been pretty awesome, so here we go. Yeah. Right off the front of the rock. Literally, I was bringing it back to cast right off the front of the rock. That was so cool. These little cutties are so cool. There's his eyeball. There's him. There he is. Absolute beauty. This is so fun. So awesome. First cast. That was awesome. That was awesome. All right. That was awesome. He came up, swiped at it. This is a really healthy one. This one. That was awesome. Came up to it once. Turned back around, slammed it. Beauty, little Snake River, fine spotted cutthroat. There it goes. Yes. It's like, this is, I don't really have words. This is too awesome. Like, there's nobody here. I'm alone. Boom. Beautiful elk hair caddis with a nice cicada behind it. They're rising everywhere right here. This is incredible. I'm gonna try to get below them a little bit. You'll see them eat my flies the whole time, and I'll get the takes or the releases with the old GoPro. So this is gonna be fun. It's a giant. Yes. Jeez. Oh man, that took a lot longer than I thought it would, but finally, one of these dudes ate the dropper, which is the tan caddis. Oh, perfect. Let's go. That one's probably right around 15. That was awesome. That's one of the bigger ones I've seen coming up in there too. So, oh, feels good to finally get one. That was kind of a battle for a second, but made it work. We're good to go. Alright guys, well, I really hope you enjoyed that video today. We absolutely destroyed the Hoback River here. We're gonna keep fishing later tonight. Next video will probably be that. Hopefully you've been enjoying the content. Remember to like, subscribe, leave a comment if you got some tips and tricks for me, and I will catch you in the next one. Thank you as always. Peace.